Right, another quick video, this time of spear trap launcher ideas. So if you made something similar to this, you want to attach your elastic on here. You've got to imagine these are like catapult forks. So you'd have elastic on there. So you have a piece of elastic coming down like this. Make something like this, put it in a bag. It can be made out of plastic, metal, whatever. And then the holes are for tying it to whatever. You might have to hammer 2 stakes in the ground and then tie this to it. With your elastic on, your spear would sit like this, similar to a sling bow, pulled back with the elastic, and all you got to do is then figure out whatever trigger you're going to use. And that's a nice little thing you could make for part of a spring spear launcher. Now the reason there's a catapult or a slingshot fork here is because you could just use that. You could use something similar to this, but it's going to be a little bit harder to tie. Obviously same thing like a sling bow, on there, drawn back, whatever trigger you're going to use. And then I've got this just as an kind of an example. You could use something like this, a tube with your elastic on. Your spear or your arrow would go inside, obviously longer than a pen, sits like that. And then you just got to work out your trigger, whatever you're going to do. So I hope that makes sense. What I'll do, I'll see if I can finish this off and then see if I can do a little demo for you so you can actually see what I mean. But bands on here, I don't think you need a pouch, you just need bands. 1 loop of band or 2. Tie this up, your spear laid on there, drawn back, and that gives you something straight away. Once it's got the elastic already on it, you've got most of the trap already made. You don't have to make bows, you don't have to worry about nothing. You just find somewhere to tie this, put this down, and then all you got to do is work on your trigger and nothing else. Well, and maybe the spear or the arrow. But if this is made, this will save a lot of time in the woods, because once it's got the elastic on, like this, you're nearly virtually there already. Right, hope that makes sense. It may not. Hope it does. I'll do another video about this, so it does make a bit more sense. Cheers for watching. I'll see you later.